A lot of people think credit is just a score. But your credit report is really a story about risk. Lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and other companies look at that story and ask, how likely is this person to pay as agreed? Negative items are the parts of the story that raise concern. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Identify what makes an item negative. Understand the impact of negative items. Differentiate between types of negative accounts. Learn strategies to manage risk signals. Discover how credit type affects evaluations. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Negative item. Something on your credit report that makes you look riskier to lenders. Late payment. A payment that was not made on time and was reported late, often 30. Now let's jump in. A negative item is any account, record, or remark that makes your credit profile look riskier. It usually tells a lender this person had trouble paying as agreed. That could mean late payments, collections, charge-offs, repossessions, foreclosures, bankruptcy, settled accounts, or severe delinquency remarks. Negative items can come from many places. A collection may come from a credit card, medical bill, phone bill, utility bill, apartment debt, broken lease, or eviction-related balance. A charge-off means the original lender gave up trying to collect as a normal account. A deficiency balance can happen after a car repo or foreclosure if money is still owed. Here is the big point. Not every negative item has the same impact. Lenders look at how recent it is, how severe it is, whether it is paid or unpaid, and whether it is reporting correctly. They also look at your positive accounts. Strong, recent on-time payments can help balance an older negative item. The type of credit you are asking for can matter too. If you apply for a car loan, a recent auto repossession may worry that lender more than an old medical collection. If you apply to rent an apartment, eviction-related debt, or a broken lease may matter more than an old credit card issue. Sometimes an item is negative even if you had a good reason. Maybe you were sick, maybe you lost a job, maybe a bill was confusing. The credit report usually does not explain the full story. It mainly shows the data being reported, like dates, balances, status, and payment history.